Mansfield from Academy of Gymnastics and Dance, Consequence of Sound.
My rhyme ain't good just yet, my brain and tongue just met, and it ain't friends so far. My words don't travel far, they tangle in my hair and tend to go nowhere. They grow right back inside, right past my brain and eyes, into my stomach juice, where they don't serve much use. No healthy calories, nutrition values, and I absorb back in the words right through my skin. They sit there festering inside my bowels, the consonants and vowels. The consequence of sounds, the consonants and vowels. The consequence of sound. Did you know that the grave diggers still get you stuck in the machine, even though it's a whole other daydream? It's another town, it's another world, where the kids asleep and the loans are paid and the lawns are mowed. What'd you think? All the grave diggers were gone just cause one song is done. There's always another one waiting right around the bend till this one ends. Then it begins squeaky clean and it starts all over again. Consonants and vowels. The consequence of sounds, the consonants and vowels, the consequence of sounds.